This is the review for Chapter 1, Page 3. Angle DFG, I guess I'm missing one. Name angles congruent to angle AOB. So if you looked at the picture, you'd find out that that was angle EOB, angle DOB, and angle COB. All right. Angle DFG and angle JKL are complementary angles. Now, when the students were doing this one in class, I found out if they knew what complementary was, then they were able to figure out how to set up the problem. But if they didn't know what complementary meant, then they were in trouble. So complementary means two angles that add to 90 degrees. Two angles that add to 90 degrees. Well, here's one angle, x plus 3. And I'm going to add, and here's the other angle, x minus 5, and they're going to equal 90 degrees. So there you go. 2x minus 2 is going to equal 90. It says subtract 2, so you add 2 to both sides, and you get 2x is equal to 92. So x then is going to equal 46. Angle DFG is going to equal x plus 3. So 46 plus 3 is going to equal 49. And then the other one, angle JKL is going to be x minus 5. So 46 minus 5 is going to equal 41. And if I add these two angles back together again, I should get 90. Angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Well, supplementary, two angles that add to 180. So the same idea. X minus 22 plus x plus 66 equals 180. 2x plus 44 is going to equal 180. Adding these two together give me 44. Subtract 44 from both sides. So 2x is going to equal 136. Divide both sides by 2. You get x equals 68. Go through. Angle 1 is going to be x minus 22. So 68 minus 22 is going to give me 46. And angle 2 is going to be x plus 66. So 68 plus 66 is going to give me 134. And if I add these two together, I get 180. Bisect means cut it in half, and it tells me that this angle is 2x minus 9. So that means the other angle is 2x minus 9. So here, all they want me to do is set it up. So 2x minus 9 plus 2x minus 9 is going to equal the whole angle, which is angle TSR. Find the distance between these 2 points. So again, you got to know the distance formula. x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. I'll call this point x1, y1 because it's my first point. I'll call this point x2, y2 because it's my second point. So putting it up underneath the square root, I have 6 subtract 3 quantity squared plus 5 subtract 7 quantity squared. 6 minus 3 is 3 squared, plus 5 minus 7 is a negative 2 squared. 3 squared is 9, minus 2 squared is 4, so I need the square root of 13. And when I take the square root of 13, I get approximately 3.6. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. So you got to know the formula for the midpoint, which is x1 plus x2 all over 2. In other words, it's like finding the average. y1 plus y2 all over 2. Again, label your points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. So in this problem, I'm going to take 2 plus 10 divided by 2, and my y's are going to be 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 plus 10 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2. And 12 divided by 2 is going to give me 6. And 6 divided by 2 is going to give me 3. So the point 6, 3 is in the middle.